We started the chapter, or the chapter 9 STP out. I had written most of this up. We started with segmentation and reviewing examples of each of these. I used the lecture from the small business class to provide categories or examples of each of the categories, but I called on students to give an example of each, and then I highlighted that it's qualitative. From there, you can have up to 3 segments of different groupings of people. You select who you're going to target, and then once you've selected who, you need to know how you're going to target them, which is the strategy up there. There are 4 strategies: undifferentiated, differentiated, concentrated, and micro-marketing. And we turned to page 218. I had not written all that red until the class because I had them read the definitions of each until they could identify or we pulled out together who they're targeting with each strategy. So I made sure that they knew with undifferentiated that it's everyone. With differentiated, it's several segments and different offerings for each. With concentrated, it's primary target, so 1 target group, 1 segment, and then 1 product. And then micro marketing is an individual. I drew the triangle to show that it goes downward, starting from targeting everyone and getting smaller and smaller. And then lastly is positioning. We defined what positioning is and a value position. We had to look up the definition of what a value position statement is. I highlighted the market growth strategy again, and I connected it back to these strategies: undifferentiated, differentiated, concentrated marketing. So we start with market penetration, and then if we develop a new product, so if we go from concentrated to differentiated, we develop a new product, what would that be? That'd be product development. And then if we offered it to a new market or new segment, that would be market development. And then finally, diversification, new product, new market. I drew a positioning map. I put price and healthiness on there, and then I had each student come up and put a fast food restaurant, plot 1. They went back to their seats and they wrote, bye. It's just a video for me, so I don't forget what I did. They went back to their seats and wrote a value position statement for their position map. They were okay. And then I pulled up on the PowerPoint the elements of a proposition statement and then had them go back and adjust theirs. So then I pulled this up and said, does it identify a target market, the offering, the product, and a unique point of difference? Their homework is to do this for their Coke company that they've been using all semester. In the homework, they're going to do a position map, a value statement. Not this part for their homework. I'm going to make them. I'm going to have that on their exam, and then they will do segmentation as part of their homework for their Coke company. I finished the class with showing a summary video. Not that one.
Hello and welcome to
This one.
today's lesson